What's your name?
My name is Uche.
Uche, how old are you?
Wow. Bruh, they heard her voice and everyone popped their balloons. That is embarrassing. Nah, I want to play that bit again.
Hello, welcome in. What's your name?
My name is Uche.
Uche, how old are you?
Bruh, that is a mad thing. I'm not gonna lie. That is embarrassing, boy.
I'm 23.
Okay.
That guy couldn't even hold his laughing, bruv.
And Uche, what do you do?
I'm doing my master's in health information technology. I'm also a program coordinator for a health IT company.
Why is the voice so deep, though? That voice is deep as hell. I don't know what's going on here.
And Uche, what do you like to do for fun?
Kind of like a little bit of everything. Honestly, I feel like with fun, it depends on like what you're doing and who you're doing it with.
Right.
So I can really make anything fun. But
Okay.
just to like give an answer, I like traveling and trying out new restaurants.
yeah,
I'm a
same.
foodie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Every woman likes to eat. It's nothing unique at all.
Now, what are some things you look for in a man?
I like an intellectual man, the way a man thinks, the way he talks,
Yeah.
because I like having like intellectual conversations. I also like a very patient man, a man that also takes initiative. Like I don't need to tell you how to treat a woman, already
Right.
just know how to treat a woman.
Okay.
Yes.
And now, what are some of your deal breakers?
Like a man that's not clean, like maybe like your fingernails, your hair, the way you present yourself.
Yeah.
And also a man that snores. Like I know sometimes it can be like,
help it.
I know sometimes it could be like medical, but like if it's just too extreme, yeah, I can't do it.
that. Okay.
Yeah, no.
Oh no! So you're saying a guy, you're gonna like disqualify a man if he snores? Well, just know they're gonna disqualify you because you got a deep voice. So I hope you don't get upset about that.
So we did get pop balloons.
Okay.
Let's go on over there and see why they ended up popping.
Okay.
All right. Your name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
Chris, 28, and I ain't gonna lie, your voice deeper than mine.
She said that she's 23 and her voice is deep as hell. Bro, that's crazy.
So I can't even do it.
I was expecting that. I'm not even gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah. Y'all can handle it. It's
You
okay.
get that about
oh,
your
I
voice?
get
Oh yeah, now she's saying you lot can't handle it. Can't handle what, fam? Imagine, yeah, you got your girl now, you're in bed with her, you know, you're about to like do the thing, you're about to get inside the box now. You get inside the box and all you hear is some deep voice. Bruh, nah, man. That's not the life I want to live.
that a lot. Some like it and some don't. It's part of me.
Yeah,
So
nah, yeah.
if y'all can't handle it, then you can't handle me.
Can't.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, I'm sure there's some guys out there that will like that, innit? But where? Them man, innit?
Now, is he someone that's your type?
No. Yeah.
Why not?
Hey, how much do you lot want to bet that she's gonna say none of these guys are her type? Because they've all popped their balloons on her straight away. So she's gonna say that she's not attracted to any of these guys, just like the other girl did.
He's too light for me, honestly. Yeah.
Y'all seen what they said last episode? That was too dark. I would not like light skin, but I guess.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go on over here. Your name and age. And
Big up James Hudson for the super chat. Is she this show has had some one of those before. Nah, I hear that. I don't really want to talk about that them people really, because it's a bit like crazy on YouTube, innit? But I don't know. There's some women just have deep voices, bro. Really deep voices, bro. Like I don't know, bro. Like I don't know. Me personally, I don't like go for women with deep voices. That's just not for me.
why did you end up popping your balloon?
Ty, 25. Not gonna lie, she's gorgeous. It's the voice, unfortunately.
Okay.
I just can't imagine having conversations every day with you. But you look good. I can tell.
And he can't imagine sleeping with you as well. while you got that deep voice. You can't imagine that too. That's what he's really talking. He don't care about conversation. He's talking about when you're in bed. Yeah? Like, yeah.
Oh, you're smart. It's just the voice.
Thank you.
All right. Is he someone that's your type?
Yeah, I would say he's my type. Yeah.
Oh, okay, she proved me wrong. She's not petty. This woman is not petty. She's calling it as it is. If she finds a man attractive, she's gonna say she finds him attractive, even if he rejects her. I respect that. I actually do respect her for that. And big up Morosa Man for another super chat. I want a soft voice and moan, not a roar. You don't want to hear this. I feel you, bro.
He looks clean, nice haircut. He looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's going over here? Your name and age, and why'd you end up popping your balloon?
Yeah, Josh, 26. She's really pretty. Nice smile, like your eyebrows.
Thank you.
It's just the voice. It's the voice.
Watch all of them say it's the voice. Like,
Yeah, you're right. They are gonna say it's all the voice. You're right.
I was expecting. It's okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I like your skin, though. I need your skincare routine.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now, is he someone that's your type?
No, he's not my type.
Right, why not?
His height, he's like a little too short for me, honestly. Yeah.
Bruh, he's probably taller than you. Again, you're wearing these stupid high heels that make you believe that you're taller than you actually are. Them high heels will come off in the end, bro. All right?
Over here, your name and age.
I'm actually getting sick and tired of hearing women talk about men's height. I'm really getting sick and tired of that, bro. That should be a cancelable offense now. When women degrade men and talk down on men about their height, that should be something where a woman can get cancelled about that. Yeah, there should be a thing called heightism now. That's what I believe. Do you get what I'm saying? Like me, personally, I'm not even a short dude. Like maybe to someone that's 6'4", I may be short, but in the grand scheme of things, around the majority of people walking around on this planet, I'm not a short dude. But I'm really getting sick and tired, bro. I can't be the only one. Press 1 in the chat if you agree with me. I'm getting sick and tired of hearing women talk about men's height when they're wearing high heels. Like, it's stupid. Like, god damn, bro.
Age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
Antoine, I'm 30. Where are you from?
I'm Nigerian.
Nigerian?
Yes.
Awesome.
Oh, big up Nigeria. Big up to you. Big up to this woman, though. She's Nigerian. I'm Nigerian. Big up my Nigerian people, my Nigerian family across the world. Come on.
I like your accent, but it is the voice. It
Thank
caught me
you.
off guard a little bit, but you are beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's all I gotta say.
That's okay.
No, same thing here. Someone that you would go for?
No.
Okay, why not?
He looks a little too old for me, honestly. And yeah, I'm just not like physically attracted to him.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
EJ 26, and the reason why I popped is because I didn't like the silver with the gold like accessories. But you are very beautiful. I do like the dark skin. I kind of didn't like the clothing going over to like the hand also. But other than that, that was really about it.
Okay.
He doesn't like your choice of jewelry and that your sleeve turns into gloves. He doesn't like that. Big up to Kruken for the super sticker. Appreciate you, fam. Big up Kruken.
And the voice was just like a little too deep for me.
I cannot control that. I cannot control that. That's where it sounds. That's just this, it's okay.
Okay. Now, is he someone that's your type?
Not really. No.
Why not?
I'm so sorry. I can't seem to not notice your ears. It's like outstanding and like really small. So you're good looking, but then it's kind of like just the ears, like no.
So your ears have been brought up by everybody so far. Do you get that often?
I've been getting that since I was a kid, so
Okay.
it's like I'm used to it. It don't really bother me. Yeah. But no, other than that, I appreciate it.
Go.
Right, they're getting onto him for his little ears, boy.
Over here. Your name and age, and why'd you end up popping your balloon?
My name is Javon. I'm 25. It was a voice for me, but
Oh,
besides
Lord.
the voice, I love the dress.
Thank you.
Beautiful face.
Thank you.
beautiful teeth. I love the earrings and ear piercings, but yeah, the voice
Thank
just
you.
threw me off. I'm sorry.
That's so crazy.
No, it's not crazy, actually. It's not crazy at all. Like, Men want women that sound soft. They don't want a woman that sounds like us. I'm sorry, blood.
You're gonna get used to it. Like,
mm.
you know, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not even trying to say nothing to convince anybody because, like, it's expected.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I apologize.
No.
So what if it was expected, then why are you saying it's crazy then?
What are you talking about, you idiot?
Like, come on, man. Know what you're saying.
It's okay.
Now, is he someone that's your type?
I would say yes. He is. He's good looking. I like his haircut as well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go on over here. Name and age and
She's keeping it real though. I respect it. Again, I respect it. She's keeping it real.
why'd you end up popping your balloon?
My name is Felix, and I'm 26. I just popped it just because of the voice. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So apart from that, she is someone that is your type?
Not really. Yeah.
Now, is he someone that's your type?
No.
And why not?
He just looks kind of like, I'm so sorry, but scruffy. Like the outfit and the hair.
She said he's scruffy. Trying to say like homeless vibes, bro. Trying to say like you just crawled out the trash can, Oscar the Grouch and that. Oh nah, she's mocking you, bro.
It's not giving for me. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Okay, let's head back. And you did
I
not.
think that his Air Force Ones was dirty as well. Damn it, bro. You should have done better. You knew he was coming on this show, fam.
I have to walk backwards. You can turn around.
All right.
Hey, be real. What do you lot rate this woman for looks? And hold on. Have I got an Instagram? No, I don't think I have an Instagram, you know. Damn it. Can't find the Instagram, fam. Lucky. Anyway.
All right, so that is all the balloons popped, unfortunately, but we do thank you for.
Oh, no, I do have an Instagram. What am I talking about? Is that an Instagram? She looks completely different, bro. That can't be her. Is that her? Nah, that's not her. Nah, that's definitely not her. Bro, I don't know what's going on. Is that her, bro? Nah, it's not. My bad. Carry on.
for coming
Thank you.
on. Let's give it up for her, guys. Thank you.
To be honest, I don't even think she was that bad looking, you know? I don't even think she was that bad looking, to be fair. Like the build wasn't bad. Like, it was just the voice was just mad, bro. The voice was just nuts. Big up to Morosa, man. She should stop speaking and adopt sign language. Oh my God. Oh my days. Morosa, man, you... She needs to learn sign language.